Hello, welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing a review of a true wireless earpiece I bought from Jumia for 68 Ghana cedis. That's right about $10. If you like what you see, don't forget to smash the like button and also subscribe. Let's get into the unboxing.
Okay, so now let's start with the unboxing of the true wireless earpiece. This is actually a Lenovo P40 wireless earpiece. I think I selected black, but it can come in white, but I wish it is black, and I'll tell you the reason why. I bought this on Jumia for 68 Ghana cedis. That's about $10. Yeah, I got a discount of 20%, so that's why I was able to buy it at 68 Ghana cedis. So this is the package, okay, and those are the two things I get. Okay, so first of all, I got a case, and I ensured that I got a case. Yes. Okay, so this is the case for the true wireless earpiece. It feels quite difficult to close it. It's not as simple as the case that you usually buy with the AirPods. Those ones are a sort of a button flip-flop, yeah, but this one has a zip attached, and it doesn't really feel okay. Trying to close the whole thing, but feels somehow distorted. Okay, and the zip is also not good, but this is a free case, so we will manage it like that. So this is how the case looks like. Hope you can see it. Well, here's how the case looks like. Okay, so let's get into the actual thing, which is the Lenovo LP40. Okay, so the description I have here is both in Chinese and English, with the Lenovo LP40 both written in English and Chinese. The same thing here, Lenovo here, and at the back. Okay, so at the back you get to see the descriptions. From the case, what I can see is white, but let's see if there's any different inside. Do I get here? Certificate of quality, and it has a pass of 2. I don't know what that means, but I'm positive. So there's a manual, a user manual in English and in Chinese. Okay, so let me look at some of the specifications in English. Okay, so it has a Bluetooth version of 5, a working range up to 10 meters, and a speaker size of 13 millimeters, and an impedance of 32, resistance, silicone microphone,
a mic sensitivity of -32 plus or minus 3 decibels, a speaker power of 20. I don't know what that is, and a frequency response of 20 Hz to 20 kHz. A playing time of 2.5 hours, and the earphone battery is 35, and the charging case battery is 230. All technical data is subjected to actual performance. Okay, so what's in the box? Says you have a Bluetooth earphone, 2 of that, a charging cable, a charging case, and a manual. This is the manual. Okay, so now let's look. So okay, so this is the charging case. It's a short USB type C to USB type A charging cable. Thank God it's USB type C. Yeah, for the price point, getting a USB type C is a plus. So this is the actual thing. Okay, fantastic. I got it in black. That is so great. That is nice. But just for a minute there, you can see the case is a fingerprint magnet. Yes, it's a fingerprint magnet. The case is in black, and I am okay with that, and I like it that way. Okay, the closing feels nice. Closing and opening feels nice. Okay, so this is the true wireless earpiece. This is the true wireless earpiece. Okay, it looks like AirPods. The reason why I chose the black, and it has an indicator at the back, I'm sure that'll be the charging indicator. Not too sure what that is, but I'm sure it will be the charging indicator. Why I chose black was because this would differentiate it from the AirPods. The AirPods are white, they don't come in black, but this is in black, so I'm able to differentiate this from the AirPods. So you see me wearing it and you don't tell me I'm wearing a fake AirPod. I want people to know that I'm wearing a Lenovo earpiece. Okay, here is where the type C charger goes into. Okay, so I'll be doing a full review of the Lenovo LP40. If you want to see it, stay tuned, subscribe. Peace, stay blessed.